Yes, today I'm going to talk about a tree which is known as Ashoka. Otherwise, botanically, it is not the Sadaka Asoka. Uh, Only because of its leaves. I will take you very close to the leaves of this. And the tree has been pollarded in a white to avoid the electric lines, and you can just see there all of them have been pollarded. As I go nearer to this tree, cross the road, and you'll find it has got the leaves which you find here on the side. This has got an undulating, or you can say wavy, and this is a typical characteristic feature of this particular tree. By its foliage, you can see the dust is accumulated here, and this is one of the, I believe, one of the top 25 species which can be recommended for introducing an avenue that experience too much of exhaust, dust and all. For the fresh leaves, you can just see here. In Sadaka Asoka also the fresh leaves appear like this. That is why sometimes it is referred to as Ashoka tree, but it is not Ashoka, it is Polyalthia longifolia. Well, I am Dr.Sas.Biswas of Dolphin PD Institute, where I am a teacher of dendrology and forest biology. That is located in Dehradun, particularly in Mandwara, in the state of Uttarakhand, India. So you can just see the bark. It looks smooth, and so interesting that the bark has got this very highly medicinal property, where this is used in skin diseases, rheumatism, menstrual cycle management, plus in scorpion sting. So this has got a lot of, the bark has got a lot of importance. This, and the tree is in fact found throughout Sri Lanka and Asian region, particularly in South India, it is found wild too. But in the rest of the parts, this is planted for landscaping purpose. There is yet another one also, Polyalthia longifolia, which grows very tall. These are called mast tree with the pendulous branches. That is longifolia variety pyramidalis. It has got that with the pendulous branches. Here you can just see here, and that's how, and the wire, they're all crossing there. On the top, this has been cut short in order to avoid it touching the wire that you can see here, the cable or electric wire. And this is what is done as you can see pollarding. And look out the tree, and this is a footpath that is very mercilessly, there's no opening there, so there is no aeration. But if the tree gets a chance to grow tall, it will grow in a very good shape of a pole that you can see here. And as I go pass through this footpath in Whitefield, you'll find many of these trees are grown, but at the same time they are beheaded because of the touching the electric wire. So once in a month or two, those people, they do reach to these trees, and they are, I'll call it, they are beheaded, or you can say what we call it in a forestry scientific term as pollarding. So you can see on my left hand side many of these trees, they are stunted, but somehow or other this tree has not been done on this side. Is the same one, And look how the tree, and the people can also sit down in there. And there are lot many, dry flowers. If you see the closer, have a closer look of the flowers that appear star-shaped, so I call it the green star, green stars. So look at this. So this is the typical characteristic feature. If I so the many carpels are there. So this fall under the apocarpous condition of the flowers, and you can just see the tree that has grown so taller and taller with branching, world shape, and you can see here. This is other side also, several of them. So, and this is trying to come out of this, while there's a bench for this who can sit under this to and relax for some time from the scorching heat. But at the same time, people go under the tree for making the picnic and nonsense things, and they do it. So you will find it one of the most one. And here I love it. And look out here. So it is very graceful, and as it goes tall. In fact, this is an evergreen tree. It is found wild in South India, particularly in the Western Ghats. But the leaves are leaves, and the flowers are very interesting to see. That's for today.